Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Start. I am Varaprasad. In this video, we will discuss one more Salesforce important interview question. Nowadays, in our interview, we're asking this question. Okay, and even I think if you are attending an interview, even you will face this question also. Like how we can display more than 1,000 records in the Visual Force page. For example, if you want to display more than 1,000 records in the Visual Force page, we need to use the read-only true attribute on the Apex page tag. For example, if we are not using read only equal to true, which error will come? And if you want to avoid that error, how to overcome that error, and I will show you everything in the Salesforce app. Okay. Before that, already I have uploaded some interview questions, Salesforce related interview questions around 20. These are the real-time interview questions. And along with, I have uploaded some lighting basic videos also. If you like these videos, please subscribe. And so that if you will, whenever I am uploading new videos, you will get notification. Okay. And okay, so now, so this is a sample class I have written. This is a Visual Force page. This is a Visual Force page. So currently I don't have any read-only attribute equal to true. So I'm displaying list of accounts here. For example, before that I will show you how many records are there in my account object, so that you can understand like how many records it will display and all those things. If we open here, just create a sales count from account. So if we have more than 1,000 records in the account object, it will throw error. So currently I have like over 1370 records, 1317 records are there. For example, if I will run this VF page, it will throw error like this is error will it will throw collection size is this number, X is maximum size of 1,000. So this error will come if we have more than 1,000 records on the, like if you are displaying more than 1,000 records on the web page. So because this query will return more than 1,000 records, right? Just now we saw, right? So here we are not even filtering anything. So that's why this query will return more than 1,000 records. So if it will try to display all this data, it will throw error like more than 1,000 records are there. For example, just click on preview button. So you can observe that error will come. See, collection size is 1317 exceeds maximum size of 1,000. We can display maximum 1,000 records on the Visual Force page. More than that is not possible. If you want to display more than 1,000 records in the VF page, we need to use read and only quote true on the Apex page tag. Okay. Even we observed, right? Just now we have written we have executed one query here. It is also showing 1317 records here. Correct? If you execute that query, so 1317. So that's the reason it is showing error. If you want to allow more than 1,000 records on the VF page, so what we need to do, just we need to go on the VF page, and we need to specify read only equal to true. By default, it will be false. If once we enter that's true, so it will allow more than 1,000 records. So for example, see if I will refresh this page, so it will display more than 1,000 records. So you can even we can check that serial number also. So we can display more than 1,000 records on the VF page. See, so and once we specify this read only equal true on Apex space tag, what will happen? Like Salesforce will retrieve more than in the query, it will support to retrieve more than 50,000 records. Right? And along like we can query maximum 1 million records and we can query maximum 1 million records on the 1 million records. Okay. So that's why if it will retrieve more than 1 million records, even we can display more than 1,000 records here, and even this list will support like a 10,000 records at a time. So in the even single page also we can display more than 1,000 records. So that's the reason now we are able to see more than 1,000 records on the VF page because of we added read only equal to true on the page tag. And what will happen if we add this read only equal to true means, so whatever the data we are displaying on the VF page, so on these records, we cannot do any DML operations. Like we cannot do update, we cannot do any like delete operations. We cannot do any changes on the existing records because if we are using read and liquid true, that is the limitation for the Salesforce. If you are not using any DML operation, then we can use directly this read only equal to true. Then we can display more than 1000 records on the VF page. Okay, these are the limitations actually Salesforce is provided. Okay, so just we need to add read only equal to true. These are the conditions is available. These are the summary about the read only equal to true tag. So software can retrieve up to 1 million records. Collection type limit is 10,000 here, and we cannot do any DML operations like insert, update, delete, and all those things. So just for displaying data, we can just we want to display data on the VF page, so we can use the read only equal to true on the tag, so that just we can display more than 1000 records here. Okay, so this is important question. Just practice, and even they will ask you this question. Just mention this topic, these points also. Even they will ask you like, can we perform DML operations on the if we specify read only equal to true? Then we need to give answer like we cannot do any DML operations and all those things. But but once we specify this read only equal to true, like query will retrieve up to 1 million records. In the collection type limit is 10,000. So these are the some limitations if we use the read only equal to true on the Visualforce page. Okay, uh, that is all about in this video. And if you are looking for any Salesforce admin and developer or Lightning training, please contact me or WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, so that I will provide you Salesforce training with real-time project and all those things. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day.